kindergarten, for the rest of the year, we're going to be talking about a new driving question. What do plants and animals need to survive? We'll be talking about a couple different plants, a couple different animals, but the first one we're going to be talking about is the painted lady butterfly. Now, the painted lady butterfly has a life cycle that is different from ours and from other animals that we might know. Painted lady butterflies go through a metamorphosis, which is just a process where an animal changes to become an adult. We think of it as like a dramatic makeover. So let me just show you a model of what this looks like. First up, there's an egg that is laid by an adult butterfly. From that egg hatches, and this is obviously not to scale, this is much bigger, a caterpillar. This caterpillar will munch until it's nice and big, and then it will hang from something and spin itself a little chrysalis, which is the next step. When the caterpillar makes the chrysalis, inside an amazing change happens. The caterpillar will be turning into the butterfly, and when it is ready, the butterfly will emerge from the chrysalis. It'll dry its wings off and it will look something like this, ready to lay more eggs again, thus making it a cycle. Now, I don't have a real life example of what these look like. However, I do have a real example of the caterpillar. I received a present of a cup of caterpillars. You see them? I have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then one back here, 5. When I received these on March 30th, so from today, that was 9 days ago, they were little. They were really tiny. When I was making my observations, you could see I drew them like little teeny tiny little marks. As they've gotten bigger, I've been able to notice their color, the spikes on their backs, their little legs. I've even seen their little mouths noshing on all this food down here. This would be it's like moisture food, so there's like food and water in there. Do you notice all this webbing in there? I've been noticing that the past couple of days. Also, these balls at the top, they've been shedding their exoskeleton, which we learned about in Sex 2, right? They have an exoskeleton. They've been shedding their exoskeleton as they're getting bigger and bigger and bigger, just getting ready to hang from the top of the cup and form their chrysalis. Oops, excuse me. Okay, so what do these caterpillars need to survive? They have air. At the top here, some holes for air. They have space, and they have food and water. Okay? In a couple of days, they're going to make their chrysalis, and I will definitely keep you updated. Now, what do I want you to do for this week? There's different things you could be doing. You could go on a caterpillar hunt. So basically checking out the leaves in your neighborhood, around your yard, seeing if there's any caterpillars on them. You also could look for butterflies. You could draw a picture of them. You could draw the life cycle, whatever you want to do. If you'd like to share it with me, I would love to see it. I miss you, and until next time, when we're gonna have something different in this cup. Bye.